Malapit mo na mabasa ang sulat. Yes, ilang oras na lang guys, mababasa ko na. Kunin yung letter kasi nandun na sa San Francisco yung letter na binibigay ni Miss P sa akin. So I'm excited to get the letter. And pinag-iisipan ko pa kung babasahin ko on live or kung babasahin ko mag-isa. Parang gusto ko solohin kasi, di ba? Or babasahin ko tapos naka-video. Happy po ba ang letter? Hindi ko alam yan. Hindi ko pa nakuha. So hindi ko pa alam yung sagot. Actually, inunahan ako ni Tito Boy. Inunahan kami ng GMA News kasi marami ako nakikitang nilabas nila na officially nililigawan ko siya. But guys, hindi ko pa natanggap yung letter. I'm still hanging, honestly. I'm still hanging from yung binigay kong sulat. Hindi ko pa nakuha yung sagot. So, medyo nagulat ako na nag-post ng GMA kasi for me, hindi pa official kasi hindi ko pa nababasa. Ooh, it's China. Hello everybody. How you guys doing? Good afternoon everybody. We're on the way to San Francisco. It was a crazy schedule so far. So we flew in from Aruba last night. I'm gonna wait till more people jump in. Hello, Ate Arlene. You are still gising ka pa? Grabe. Hello, Gina. Hello, Jacqueline. Hello, June. Hello, Yan Yan. Hello, Cecily. Cecily. Hi from the Cayman Islands. Dang, we got Filipinos in the Cayman Islands. Shira, hello to you. Yeah, I need a haircut. Hello po, watching from Taiwan. Taiwan, watching from the UAE. Hello, Ash. Calbayog, Samar. We in the van. We got little Eddie in the house over here. We got Lisa and Joe, Uncle Joe. And of course, we got Corey in the front, Coco Productions, and that's the homie Doble. Yeah. So yeah, we have a show in San Leandro, and I'm very excited because it's my first time in the Bay in like, I want to say 3 years. Hello Ruth from Hawaii, Maui Wowie. The Maui Wowie. Hello Mercy, watching from Las Vegas. Rovig, thank you so much. Yeah, kagabi. So, nanalo po ako ng Male R&B Artist of the Year sa PMPC. So, thank you guys. And syempre, sobrang salamat sa representative ko na tinanggap niya yung award ko on my behalf. Ganda naman ng representative ko, di ba? Chick, thank you so much. It means so much that you did that for me. Honestly, maraming salamat. I know you're asleep right now. That's why I'm not bothering you, but wala lang, masaya ako. And I've seen some of the videos na nagsa-circulate and wala lang, napapasmile lang talaga ako. Thank you. Kakatapos lang manood na ulit ng mga vlog ni Miss B. Hello from Oregon. Hello, hello. Congratulations. Thanks, Ruth. How's everybody today? Hindi pa ako nagba-breakfast. So I woke up at 10 o'clock. Kasi yung call time namin was 11. I woke up at 10 o'clock to get ready, pack. Nakakapagod kaya yung biyahe. Nakakapagod. So we got home. I got home like at 2 a.m. Went online for a little bit kasi inayos ko yung arrival ni Miss B dun sa Star Awards. I'm good, thank you. I was coordinating with the teams and everything, so ayun.
I'm telling him about Nick, Eric.
Oh yeah. So I slept mga 4. 4 na siguro ako nakatulog. And I woke up at 10, so
At a time.
yeah.
This is my friend.
Hello Sonia, hello Kimberly. Yes, happy ako.
Hey,
Oh, Kimberly, she's a subscriber. Hello sa mga subscribers ko dyan. So in a little bit, lilipat tayo sa Red app, okay? Kasi
so he's like always
um, gusto ko mag-live dun sa Red app.
here. And so he would, the last year,
And yes, I'm very, very excited to do the show. Kasi first time ko ulit sa SF. And it's a... Which one is that? Is that the transit? There, that's the one that kind of... Oh, no, that's a transit. Never mind. Ano sinasabi ko ulit? Siguro walang breakfast kasi wala pang kain. But I'm excited to do the show. But I'm very, very excited kunin yung letter. Kasi nandun na sa San Francisco yung letter na binibigay ni Miss P sa akin. So I'm excited to get the letter. And pinag-iisipan ko pa kung babasahin ko on live or kung babasahin ko mag-isa. Parang gusto ko solohin kasi, di ba?
so then they were like, we're gonna
Or babasahin ko tapos naka-video. Happy po ba ang letter? Hindi ko alam yan. Hindi ko pa nakuha. So hindi ko pa alam yung sagot. Actually, inunahan ako ni Tito Boy. Inunahan kami ng GMA News kasi marami ako nakikitang nilabas nila na officially nililigawan ko siya. But guys, hindi ko pa natanggap yung letter. I'm still hanging, honestly. I'm still hanging from yung binigay kong sulat. Hindi ko pa nakuha yung sagot. So, medyo nagulat ako na nag-post ng GMA kasi
I feel like I have to get to New York.
for me, hindi pa official kasi hindi ko pa nababasa.
He's very serious. They said from Saturday
So,
to
iniisip ko kung paano nangyari yon. Baka kasi nag-post kasi ako na sa IG. Iba kasi pag pinost mo sa IG daw, iba daw pag pinost mo sa Facebook. Ewan ko. So I posted yung reel namin pinost ko yung reel namin from Hong Kong and nirepost niya sa stories niya. So, baka since nirepost niya sa stories, baka that's how they thought na official. Baka lang. I could be wrong. Sorry, hindi ko nababas. Kailan New York? Sana soon yung New York. Actually, I'll be in Jersey. I will be in Jersey in September. I believe there's a Jersey, Florida, Vancouver, and Washington. So hindi pa sure kasi hindi pa ako pumipirma ng kontrata, but that's with ABS. So abangan niyo po yan. Sana matuloy. It's up to you, Mr. B. We respect that. Pero hulaan ko na lang ang sagot niya. I think it's a yes. Sana yes. Sana. Kung ano man yung sagot, okay lang. Kasi tulad ng sinabi ko, hindi naman ako nagmamadali. At masaya ako. And masaya ako sa nangyayari. I'm happy to be given the opportunity again to be given a chance to be Katie's... ano ba yan? Katie's dad full-time. support sa kanila. Okay na pa ang letter, Mr. BS na po yun. Alright, 2.4. 2.4K. Pag naka 3K tayo, lilipat tayo sa red app. Okay guys? If you don't know what the red app is, yung mga may alam, pakisabi na lang dyan kung ano yung red app. Kasi I think bawal kong sabihin. Wala po ba sa LA? Wala pa po. Kasi nakailan shows na din na ako sa LA last year and this year. Last year and the year before that. So, pahinga muna ang LA. Baka magsawa kayo sa akin. Hi ma! Kamusta po kayo dyan? From Japan. Si Mama Nilo. Mama Nilo. Hello, hello. Baka naman napasa or nabasa? Nabasa? Hindi. Wala pa sa akin yung letter, guys. And lately, I've been buying Boston hats kasi may B dito. Mr. B. It's me, Mr. B. Hi, I'm Jinlin. Hello sa mga subscribers ko dyan. And baka basahin ko yung letter sa members only sa red app. Yeah. Oo nga, no. Solohin mo na lang muna po. If you want, video mo na lang. Pero that's a great idea. Maybe I'll do that. Baka solohin ko lang. Tapos, pero i-video ko na lang. Hindi ko alam. Pag-isipan ko. Love you, ma. Sa mga nandyan, welcome po. Welcome. Vancouver. Yes, meron Vancouver. Because I will be in... Ano ba ulit yun? I know I have Victoria, BC, July 31st. I have Winnipeg, July 25. And then Lloydminster, July 9. I have Lloydminster, July 9. So I have 3 shows in Canada this trip.
You know where his voice is like, yeah, and very big. And I'm like, yo, you gotta change.
Ooh, Maricar from Glendale. Malapit yun sa akin dito. Mr. B, ganda-ganda ng kinuhang award mo. Di ba? Ganda ng representative ko. Honestly, that meant the world to me. Sa kay Miss B, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. I wasn't there. I wasn't able to see the live kasi tulog nung time na yung pagod ako. But I saw nakita ko yung mga videos na nag-circulate and sobrang saya ko. Thank you so much for doing that for me. That meant the world. That meant everything to me. Kasi, di ba, you could have said no. You didn't have to do that, but you did. And doon pa lang, it really...
From 4 to 3.
Is it lunchbox there?
Yes.
You got the Sakai on.
Yeah, it's a guy.
It can happen any.
Like those ones.
Anybody, right?
Oh, shoot! Anybody want some prutas?
Some what?
Prutas? I did bring. I always bring. I got some pineapple and I got some melons. Sorry guys, we went through a dead spot earlier. Allah, nabawasan yung viewers natin. Ay, that always happens when we go through a dead spot. Siguro akala nila na nag-finish ako ng live. But, I'm gonna go as live for as long as I can. Lucky charm mo talaga ang mag-ina mo. That's true. That is the truth. We are stronger together.
I reached out to the pops today because I had my pops break and he's a rapper.
Pinaghanda talaga ni Miss B pagtanggap award niya. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Maganda talaga siya. But like I said to Tito Boy, mas gusto ko siyang walang makeup. Ganda-ganda niya pag walang makeup. Watching, shout out to the people in the UAE. At 2 o'clock guys, lilipat tayo sa Red App. Okay? Okay. Going to Shuttle. I have a tentative Washington in September. And I'll be with some ABS artists. Tentative po yan. Thanks, Jack.
Hello?
Kasi nawawala ang mga oh, yan nga, nawawala ang signal. But I'm back and kasi dumaan kami sa mga mountains. Tuloy po ba sa Toronto? Trixie, I'm not. No, hindi na tuloy sa Toronto. Yeah, pasensya na guys sa signal ha. Pasensya na po kasi we're on the road and hindi naka-Starlink dito sa van. So, sana may concert ka din sa UK. Yes, sana. Kasi alam mo, hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Europe. In my 20 years in the business, I have never been to Europe. So I would love to go there, guys. I want to go to London. I want to go to France. I want to go to Paris. I want to go to the UK. Brother Ray, how you doing, brother? Hope all is well, my brother. Kain po.
Yes? Yes, the next one coming up, right?
All right.
Yes, it's off of exit 219.
All right, we're climbing again.
219. Oh, hey.
So guys,
Next one, go to the next one then. It's okay. If you can get in front of it. No, it's okay. I kind of didn't give you notice.
ingat. Thank you. Oh, look, Coco, we are excited to have you back here in Maryland. Someone's commenting, Eva. How's Miss B? Miss B is tulog. Oo nga, sana. Shout out to Fam Squad.
Yeah. Yes, before Bakersfield's coming up.
So ayun guys, meron akong bagong kanta. It's out already. Hindi ako nakapag-promo ng maayos, but thank you to the KKK fam, to everybody. Please share,
All my life.
please like and share. The new song is called Unlove
Yeah.
You.
From here all the way up. This is
So
born and raised.
that's the song that's with me and this man right here, Little Eddie. So if you guys know the song, Statue. I'm like a statue, staring right at you. Siya yun guys. And mamaya, I'll have him hop on the live and talk to you guys because he's such a good guy. Sobrang bait niya. Sobrang talented. Siya yung, I think of all the songwriters that I've worked with, Little Eddie is the best that I've worked with. Siya and si Tito Benny, syempre. But
Okay, well we missed it big time. So should
when
just
we
should just keep
did
going?
Unlove You
Let's just keep
last
going.
year
We'll
pa.
get to the next one.
We did Unlove You last, I want to say end of July, August, because we shot the video also in August already. So matagal na tapos yan.
I'm 1 week.
Okay, matagal na tapos yan.
August
And
25.
it's about the one that you can never unlove. So I'll let you guys think about kung sino kanino para kanino yung kanta. Been playing since day one. Thank you.
His birthday just passed. Mine is the 12. This is
No, hindi ko pa nabasa, guys. Nasa San Francisco pa yung letter. Kaya pupunta kami dun. And I'm excited to read it. Ayan, so please stream Unlove You Guys out sa lahat ng platforms. That's me with Lil Eddie. Mamaya makakapag-chikahan tayo with Lil Eddie. Medyo busy siya ngayon. He's talking to Joe and Lisa. So Joe is like my boy out here. He helps me out a lot. He's like my road manager out here. And Lisa is my attorney. So we come as like a package deal. And we just came back from Aruba. Mag-asawa yun si Joe and Lisa. And Joe has been getting, ang tawag ni Katie sa kanya si Uncle Joe. Mag-asawa sila. So they're like my best friends.
Boricua, 16, the song.
The song is for Miss B.
Be like this.
It says Kathleen Samantha. Yeah. Thank you. I hope you guys like the song. It's
But it's Latin drama.
we're trying to go kasi for the international market. So don't worry, gagawa din tayo ng mga Tagalog para sa mga Pinoy. But right now we're trying to capitalize and we're trying to hit the international market. Kaya ganun yung tunog ng I Love You.
I hope to see you on it then.
Because honestly, I believe Pinoys deserve a spot in the international market. Diba? Don't you guys think so? You guys are our happiness. We love you guys so much. We're so grateful for you guys, honestly. And mahal na mahal namin kayo. Next up ba yung signal? K-Trends Global in the house. Hello K-Trends Global and K-Trends Middle East. Kamusta po kayong lahat?
Especially in the world.
Grabe naman. Ang laki ng binawas So we're on the road guys and expect nyo na maging intermittent yung yung internet. Pero wag kayo bibitaw. Bibitaw. Bibitaw or bibitaw? ano ay tama? Wag kayong bibitaw. Yung signal bibitaw pero kayo wag kayong bibitaw kasi hindi rin ako bibitaw. Kapit lang guys, kapit lang. Watching from Winnipeg, Canada. Hello Maribel. I'm gonna be there July 25. July 25 in Winnipeg. Get your tickets now. Ikalat nyo na darating si Mr. B sa Winnipeg. It's gonna be a good show.
Let me down.
I like to have fun with you guys.
Oh, gave in to the big companies.
And the last time I was in Winnipeg was, I believe, 2008. 2008 or 2009. I was with Sarah.
It starts with the seeds, right? Like if you kill all the crops and you go back to the farmers and like we have no choice but to use these seeds.
Yeah.
Farmers have no choice, so the original seeds are gone. So it's all GMO shit. Yeah. It's like, so
KKK Chicago chapter. Grabe. Grabe kayo.
Went to your house and started freaking like basically.
Wag bibitaw.
Charlie Wilson's his friend has like listen to the things to like sell
Solid here. Walang iwanan.
because he has like 3 or 4 chickens.
KG Pasay.
But what he does
Watching from Mindanao. Hello.
he buys eggs mass produced.
Italy. Hello.
You can tell from the
K-Trends Italy. Grabe kayo.
Pasteurized is very hard.
That's another place I wanna go. I really wanna go to Italy, guys.
bro.
They don't have this.
In Aruba.
Sana makapunta kami ni Miss B and Katie sa Italy.
So orange.
Huwag ka bibitaw, Mr. B, kasi kapit na kapit.
My pasteurized eggs are $8, $9.
Tingin nyo, bibitaw ako? Hindi ako bibitaw.
Straight.
So it's like you're basically screwed. It's like you got this, but it's like food wise.
Thank you. KKK Fam France chapter. Hello, bonjour. Grabe.
You know, when you type one, it's a little different because you.
KKK is worldwide, baby.
But the doctor this that, take this much as you. I'm like, bro, I just want to listen to my body. You know, sometimes you like I've been doing this long,
Hi, Lizelle.
which makes me feel a lot better. I do like 12 hours more, at least 16 sometimes. One good meal a day. Because I also read that
This is my breakfast, guys, and it's 2 p.m. here.
back then, humans could only very rarely, the meals were spread out for days.
Uy, salamat sa mga nagla-like dyan. Nang-heart, thumbs up. Ano naman?
Back then, we were just money. You earn something.
Oh, it's 2 o'clock.
The expectancy needs
Okay.
so quick because that means you have to go on.
Or it's not there.
Guys, okay lang po ba na lipat tayo sa Red App?
I like to watch a
Hindi kasi ako madalas mag-live sa Red App, so kailangan ko palakasan yung Red App ko. Alright? So, I'll see you guys
Got enough fat.
on the Red App.
Fat like I can last
Okay?
months.
Maraming salamat. See you on YouTube. There, I said it. Love you. Bye-bye.
Two.
They're really sensitive.
Support.
Ish! Quiet, please. Don't say bad things. They will cut it. They're very, very,
sensitive.
very sensitive.
Especially
You know, if you're drinking like a can,
Yeah, they cut us.
it'll cook you like
They cut you. Even if you have,
I think it's weird.
like, if you even if you have a knife, they'll cut you too.
On TikTok, it's
Yeah.
crazy.
So,
A can or something.
ingat muna tayo guys sa mga salita natin dito kasi sayang. I was almost at 2,000 viewers on the Red App. Algae.
Aren't they gonna jump back on?
Let's see. I hope so. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened. Biglang nag-shutdown yung app ko. Damn. Damn. I think YouTube heard what Uncle Joe said. Yep.
That says no. Says no.
No.
Simply saying it.
Or maybe
Well,
you
not
went live
automatically
for
add.
too long.
No.
No, because people want it. They want it. Just mentioning the
Watching from Kuwait. Don't stop. I didn't stop the live, guys. It just cut me off. We're going on. We're going. Come back, everybody. Come back. Come back. Come back. Private letter. Good morning here in Cagayan.
it was Chris's noises. That's what there you was me, man.
Don't worry about it.
Fuck, there's a fly in there.
I know.
There is a fly.
Trying to get.
No.
I'll take a flyer over a mosquito.
How are you related to Uncle Joe? Uncle Joe is one of my long time friends. He's cousins with my best friend Sunny. Sunny and I go way back to when we were 8 years old. Actually, yung bahay niya dito sa States, dun lagi ako nagsistay. So Sunny and Joe are cousins. And ever since me and Sunny were young, Joe's been around. So I've known Joe since I was 8 years old. So over 30 years, we've been friends. Over 30 years, pare. And he's the best. Uncle Joe is the best.
Yes.
Like your cat.
Mr. B! I wab you too. Hello, Chris, watching from Hong Kong. Every time you're right there.
You want it?
Post on the Blue app that you're live.
I only
Congrats on your PMPC. Look what happened to my hair in Aruba, guys. Nawala yung kulay. It went back to like blonde or yellow. Anong gagawin ko, pare?
What do you want to do? Nice color.
What is that?
It's great.
Me? I don't.
I've had Ash Gray for 10 years. It's okay.
Good fresh looks alive.
Oh yeah, will they sponsor it?
Chew.
Let's see if we have time. For sure. I I want my milk tea. There's a color that I'm doing now. It's called milk tea. Because I've had Ash Gray since like 2016. So I want something new.
Log full seems 30. Log? What do you mean log?
Lag means lagging.
Nasa isip po siya. Ibis ko sa YouTube niya.
Say red app, Coco.
Already.
Mhm. They're gonna hide your live if you say other apps.
Oh,
So
She's going to his mother and me. Not tell any friend.
Yeah, I'm excited. Mr. B, did you get the letter? No, I did not get the letter yet, guys. I'm on the way to the letter. Papunta ako dun sa letter, pare. You are on GMA News, Mr. B. I am? How am I on GMA News? Which one? When was I on GM or nag-post or are you saying nag-post yung GMA News? Yeah, she was beautiful. She's always beautiful. She's just beautiful. Miss B Miss B couldn't be ugly if she tried.
You know what?
That's how beautiful she is.
They
They revealed that I'm miserable. Ooh, miserable. What you mean about that? Miserable. Oh wait, say it again. Anong sabi mo, Stephanie? Kasi naka-automatic translate. Sana maayos ang visa. Congratulations last night on your award. Thank you so much.
Joe,
Di ka na magba-black hair.
Joe is the big.
You know, when I do get my black hair, parang hindi na bagay sa akin yung black eh. Kaya, say, say what?
With John.
John.
They're going through a similar circumstance with their
with their friend.
Oh,
Stage four. That's tough.
stage 4?
Stage 4, yeah.
Oh, shit. Yeah. I'm sorry to hear that. brother.
Lost stars.
Only 2,000 one of my best friends.
That's like,
Unbelievable.
really Australia, actually. Man.
oh, Miss B is not for Barbie. Uh-uh. Mr. Di na mo namamaga ang face mo. Back to normal, Pogi. Hindi, namamaga pa dito. Dito, tsaka dito. It's still, ano. Pinag-iisipan ko, actually, nag-vlog ako nung swollen and sunog yung face ko. I wanted to share that journey with you guys, but I'm wondering if I should because hindi ko talaga kamukha. Pati si Joe, nag-FaceTime kami ni Joe and Lisa. Tapos si Joe nagulat, sabi niya, he saw the phone, he's like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shoot. Gulat na gulat siya. Parang hindi siya makapaniwala na ako yun. Ibang-iba itsura ko. Come on, I look like Kim Jong-un, right?
Huh? Yeah. Korean.
Ganun ka, sobrang namaga yung face ko. I look like Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong-un. Let's go! Hell yeah, let's go!
Show in Italy? Where?
They reveal your courting. I know. Inunahan nila kami kasi hindi ko pa nababasa yung letter kung ano man yung content nun. Yeah, but it's okay. Sana papunta doon.
That's hopefully you will make
Kat said she's proud of you during your interview last night. Oh, thank you. I'm proud of her too. I'm very, very proud of her. Ay! Trending ang about sa panliligaw sa SOCMED. Trending now about panliligaw. Guys, wala pa nga eh. Hindi ko pa nababasa pero manifest na lang natin, be. Sige, sige, sige. Manifest na lang natin. Evelyn, thank you so much. Ang dami niyong blessings. The God is good. The universe is in our favor. Grabe. Grabe. Thank you. Let's go. Just say the word and I'm there.
Rome. There you go.
Private po muna yung ano dyan. On a scale of 1 to 10, on a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you right now?
Yeah.
11. In your eyes,
Help me.
I can see. In your
Are you okay going back to Rome?
You just went? Yeah. Venice is my favorite.
No, not
We went like 5 years ago.
5 years ago?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Watching from London. God is good all the time, and all the time,
Oh shoot. You loved it.
God is good. Overjoyed. Overjoyed.
I want
I think
to
sana Mr. B, tuloy ba ang Maryland mo? Hindi ko alam. Update na lang tayo. I'm not sure.
Cocoa Flakes?
Worry, this is your.
My favorite song, Overjoyed.
That's me. No, but it didn't come out the back.
Pumayag na si Katie?
Sure.
Thank you.
Hey,
This one?
Yeah, but
Ice Triple Grande Vanilla Soy Latte. Woo!
Corey, what'd you get?
Do we have a straw? Do we have an straw?
This one was supposed to be
How many straws?
find the hot though. Oh, nice.
And you gotta tell them they'll change the staff.
What straws?
Oh, I left the
One for me.
Thank you, Double.
Reaching out.
Yo, you're so musically inclined.
Say what?
You're very musically inclined.
He is.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Because I
thanks.
I just said, give me the reaching.
Reaching out.
We were just singing that.
We know that. Thank you, brother. Thanks, Eddie. Little Eddie said, I'm musically inclined. Thank you, brother. I'd like to think so myself, too. Me, too.
Oh, I do.
Maybe
You don't like it? You know the paper cup? Oh yeah, the worst.
Guys, do you like
Thank God
paper
they
straws?
Mahal ng membership mo. Sorry na, hindi ko alam kung sino Honestly, hindi ko alam. I don't know who put that price.
Want to watch it?
I don't know. I think that was like a default or something, but I did not do that. I just left it as is, but you know, minsan nagla-live lang kami dun sa members kasi nga tulad ng sinabi ni Miss P, minsan may mga basher, di ba? And honestly, when you see these bashers, it affects the live. It affects our energy kasi nababasa namin. So, we're trying to ignore it. Pero, ang kulit minsan, di ba? So, minsan, nagla-live kami sa mga members kasi yung mga members, sila talaga yung gustong
Bro, this is
makasama sa live. And syempre, we want to be with the people that want to be with us. We don't want to be with the bashers. Thank you, Jos Marie. Maraming salamat. May simang. Oh, di ba? May simang. Walang simang kasi. Exactly, walang simang. Whatever simang is.
speed is speeding. Then
Ooh! It's called Unlove You. Unlove You. Unlove You.
Oops.
Bawal ang simang. Tama.
Hi guys.
I can never love you.
But guys, go to Red.
The Red app. On Chris Lawrence Official.
All right, bye guys.
Chris doesn't want to fly with us all. You got to fly.
Your phone, okay, babe? Your phone.
Yes, guys, please like the live, like and share. Thank you for the copy.
Salamat po.
Let's go.
What can you say about AI covers?
We're gonna have to play.
Honestly, they sound good. They sound better than some singers, but wala na kaming magagawa dyan. Andyan na yung AI. They can do things that we cannot do. So as if you wanna, be the resistance and keep resisting it, uh, I think we will lose. So you have to learn how to use it as a tool and just use it to bring out your talents better. And that's the best you can do. Jos Marie, maraming salamat sa iyo and kay Lynn Antipolo.
I think that's
Thank you, Lynn. Are you from Antipolo?
to get a reaction from you know what I mean?
Mr. B, bakit hindi naka-comment sa new songs mo? What do you mean by that? Bakit hindi naka-comment sa new songs mo? Hindi ko maintindihan mo yung, hindi ko maintindihan. Shout out from Bacolod. New fan curious lang, what is the meaning of B and Mr. B and Miss B? Secret. What do you guys think? Oh, sige. What do you guys think B stands for? What do you think Mr. B stands for? What do you think Miss B stands for?
I love that.
I guess you love it in the blood.
Yeah, because if I don't like it, I won't even bother.
Yeah, you do love.
Bye. Have you watched it?
Baby, no, it's not baby. No, it's not boo. No, it's not that. No, it's not babe. No, it's not bunny love. It's not bunny.
Sydney. Yeah, no. But you know what? It's his birthday party. It's a real reason.
Okay, so you were talking.
Yeah, like I expect that at a birthday party. So sad.
That's what you already.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. B1, B2, Mr. Balikan, Mr. Bro, Mr. Buhay, Mr. Best Friend. B1, B2, you guys are funny. Funny. Tell them that it's human nature. Why can we do it that way? And we said, why? Tell them that it's human nature. Mr. Bot. Boss, bomb. No, you guys are getting it all wrong. What? Thank you for guessing. Mr. Bitin. Kasi bitin lahat ng content ko sa Facebook. Beauty and Beast. So I'm the Beast. Mr. B stands for Mr. Ube. No, that's incorrect. Yes. Reaching out
Spent a lot of money.
across the time.
Yo, Eddie,
Definitely journey, you know?
they're making a part 2 from Michael Jackson, right?
Yup, look at that too.
Word?
Yeah.
I still haven't seen part one.
It's already in production.
Word? Dude, I seriously haven't seen it yet. I've been so busy. Every time we're about to go, it's closed. They closed.
No. But he took it serious. He respected his legacy and his uncle's legacy. And he
Mr. Brown, close. Oh, close. But no cigar.
that was his life. Nobody else
Close na agad.
could have played.
I like this salted caramel seafoam better than the vanilla.
Bob, huh? Did you get soy too?
I
It's soy?
but I did instead of vanilla. I did there.
Salted? Is that 3 shots?
Well, whatever it is, plus.
Yeah.
That's scary.
Yeah.
We're doing
You the best you were. Bro and brew. Bro and bruja. Bro. Beach? Ah, kasi sabi mo close. You guys are funny. Okay. Ooh, we got 1,500. All right, guys. Q&A. Let's do a Q. You guys want to do a Q&A? Let's do it.
I like learning. So I feel that
Give us some clues. Actually, you guys are actually really close.
So let me tell you something.
Malapit na.
Maybe like how to play song.
Mr. Boo, nope.
So they made
Mr. B, ano ba, Miss B? Besties, nope. Bully. Close. How did you get into music? I actually started. Okay, so here's the story. My dad said that I was showing interest in music when I was like 2 or 3. So he noticed that I was like humming stuff, and it was like on. That's a no. And then every time I see a piano, I would start playing piano, right?
It's different because like
And then he signed me up to Yamaha Music School in Westwood
it is a very
when I was 4 years old. And he put me
vanity
in a test because he felt something, and he put me in the test. He had me tested at Yamaha to see if I was a gifted child. I don't know how they tested it or this and that. So the test results came back, and they told my dad that, hey, your child has a gift.
you can't hate me more than I hate myself.
So I was 4 years old, and I was doing my piano. They put me in piano school,
Only have
and I was always at the top of my class. So what they did was the teacher. It was too easy for me.
that's what she
When I was 6 years old, I was in the 9-year-old class. When I was 7 years old, they put me in the 14-year-old class,
very often
and that. And 7 years old, I was already making my own compositions with piano. Okay, this is I'm talking about piano. Hindi pa to singing. Before I became a singer, piano muna. And then I started singing when I was 15. Medyo late.
I guess maybe it's like 80
Allah. Lag ba, guys? Can you type 6 if it's lag? If I'm lagging, type 6. If my audio is clear and the video is good, type 9.
to get to the point. It's already
Thought ka mo po ba si Miss B?
it's dragged.
anything bioflick, anything
I think so.
I know it's crazy, but like
Also, lag nga yung 6. Medyo lag. Okay, let's wait. Huwag kayo bibitaw kasi hindi rin ako bibitaw. I'll wait till 9. Okay? So yeah. Okay, we're back at 9. 6-9. So we got a bunch of 69s on the board. 69. Okay, next question.
I want to see that.
Wait,
You know, because I think like,
oh, I can't read so fast. Too fast. Mr. Bling Bling. What did your parents say? Or what was that? Oh, hindi ko nakita. What did your parents say about Miss How to Unlove You? Sorry, you cannot. And you better not.
they would have focused their energy on
You better not.
business. They would have
Okay, Q&A. Who is your first love?
Jeffrey.
That's so I believe that there's different types of love. There's puppy love, the ones that you fall in love with when you're young.
I mean,
When you think it's love, diba? When you're young, you think it's love.
you know what? I get
But it's like puppy love. And then there's a real love when you're an actual, person, professional. So video 6, audio 9. Okay, cool. When did you realize mahal mo si When did you realize mahal mo pa si Miss B?
And it was all
2008. Oh no, 2009. Yeah.
It could have been it. Yo,
Yo.
the theme of movie Obsession.
Of what?
The movie Obsession.
Obsession?
I Love You could have been in that movie.
Let's pitch it.
You never seen the horror movie? It's
No, it's out. It's out.
Oh, it's out right now?
It's psychotic. I don't know much of it.
If you watch it, it's at your own risk.
Oh, word? It fucks with your mind?
Guilt trip, almost.
It's been a million.
Have you guys seen the movie Obsession? Little Eddie is saying that Unlove You could have been a song in Obsession. Wanna make a change for once in my life. Can feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. Oh, the favorite week's chord. I said it dead on my mind. Di na dapat tinatanong na when realize is hindi ko na. Is she the one you're going to marry? I don't know. Let's see. Three favorite things came Miss B. Okay, good question. My three favorite things about Miss B is cuteness. One. When she gets to a comfortable thing, lumalabas yung pagka-cute niya. And you know everybody has their weaknesses. Like every guy has a weakness a weakness trait in a girl. Sa akin, yung weakness ko sa babae is pag cute yung personality nila. That's my weakness. So that's one. Two is, syempre, ang ganda niya. Three, sobrang bait. Why you sang Risk It All to Miss B? Because totoo yun. That's the first song. I assume you're referring to when we guessed it's Tito Boy. So that's the first song that came to my head. And you know, for those of you that know my story, there was a lot going on before this all happened, and I risked it all. Can you sing Ikaw Pala for Miss B, please? Sure. Oh, she? Damn. What you mean, damn, bro? May simang Mr. B. Meron ba? Wala po kayong closure. I believe in marriage. Of course I believe in marriage. I don't think it's for everybody, but I believe in it. What's your top song from Miss B? Us now aside from I Love You. You know what? I'm so excited also for the next song after I Love You. That one. I'm so excited for that. Si Ma'am, Go Far Away. Yes. Sipahan niyo si Ma'am. Marriage gets blessings from God. First impression, kay Miss B. Ganda. Who do you look up to in the music industry? Marami. Bruno Mars, Usher, Breezy, pinaka-idol ko sa lahat, Michael Jackson. She is at the marrying age, are you? I believe I'm at the marrying age, yep.
Eric, how long do they live together in Toledo? 2 weeks.
Ilang taon ka po hindi nakasulat ng song? 5 years. Last year was the first one. And it was for King. That was nobody. So go stream it. Can you sing Man in the Mirror? Wanna make a change for once in my life. Feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. Yeah, the thing is blowing.
See them at the phone.
You're welcome. Last night I received the Miss Bianca award. Well, yes, she did. And she looks so good doing it. When I see you smile, I'm gonna need to start charging you guys for these samples right here. When I see you smile, I can face the world. Oh, well, you know that I can't do anything. That's for you. Malapit mo na mabasa ang sulat. Yes, ilang oras na lang guys, mababasa ko na. Yung sa lakas ng chemistry niyo, pati anak niyo. O, ship kayo. What ship? What can you say na have you seen already? Mag-aabang kami sa sulat. Hello? Thank you so much, Mr. B. I love you. I love you guys. What's your plan when she says no? If she says no, that's okay. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako mag-support sa kanya. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pag-vlog namin. Like I said in my letter, hindi ako nagmamadali. Okay, totoo yan. Hindi talaga ako nagmamadali. Basta masaya siya, masaya ako, okay na yun sa akin. I'm very happy that the door is open. I can see Kate whenever I want, and doon pa lang panalo na ako. So, if she says no, that's okay. Hindi tayo susuko, guys. Hindi tayo susuko. Pursue pa rin. Yep. I won't stop until she tells me, get out of my life. Laban pa rin, laban. Be positive. Fight lang. Keep trying. Guys, if this live turns off, just come back, okay? Because sometimes, pag nasa road, we're on the road, sometimes the live just cuts and I'm just gonna come back. So come back, okay? Uy, Geraldine, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. I want you guys to. It's 6:37 in the Philippines right now. Gising na kaya sila? Yeah. So, I'm excited to see the KKK fam in the north. I'm excited na madagdagan kayo sana. Ang dami kong dalang. There's a lot of bombs. We have a lot of bombs. Hindi umabot yung bagong jerseys, guys. Hindi umabot. Sana by the next show, nandyan na. Kasi I'm excited to see the next jersey. So I have two jerseys. I have a brand new version 2 KKK jersey, and brand new version, brand new Team KL jerseys. So I'll be selling both of those. All right. Yeah. But yeah. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay lang to.
Uy, may nag-send. Thank you. Okay lang po ba na magpaalam mo na ako? Kasi feeling ko hindi ako nakikisaling dito sa grupo na. Ayoko sabihin na
She said you listen to Common Kings.
ayoko sabihin na parang nasa sariling mundo.
They're fine.
Is that okay, guys?
Can you hear?
Babalik ako mamaya. Ha? Alright. Thank you, guys. I love you and I'll see you guys later. Magla-live ulit ako mamaya, ha? Pagdating doon. I love you guys. Bye.
They have like concert next year.